how to compress files into a zip file on your Windows computer. Now, the first thing you need to do is locate the files that you want to compress. So I currently have a few files here on my desktop, but you can use as many files as you want. Now, if your files aren't already inside a folder, I recommend creating one first. To do that, simply right-click on your desktop, select New, and then click on Folder. Now, give the folder a name, and then drag all of your files into it. Once you've done that, right-click on the folder and select Compress to Zip File. Windows will now create a compressed zip folder containing all of your files. And you'll know it's been compressed because the folder will now have a zipper icon on it. And if you hover over it, it will say Compressed Zip Folder. You can now move, upload, or share this zip file just like any normal file. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.